Rahul Baloda of Rajasthan, 3 minutes 40.06 seconds. 48 Vinod, 343 Ritesh and 539 Gambhir.
In Kochi, the event was won by Yunus Shah of JSW, 341.93. Ajay Kumar Saroj, who is here, Uttar Pradesh, 342.64. And in third was Narendra Singh of Haryana, 342.77. Arjun Vaskale of Madhya Pradesh is here. He was fourth at Kochi with 343.60. Men's 1500 meters final, the first lap out here, starting from the far side.
350 Arjun Vaskale in the lead, representing Madhya Pradesh in 1500 meters run for men final, followed by bib number 531. He is Rahul Baloda of Rajasthan.
So we are now into the first minute of the 1500 meters. 3 more laps to go here. They're all running as if they've planned something together to be one to the final number. One of them looks over the heels, which is Ritik Deol of Rajasthan, but the leader of the pack. In fact, he's now the leader of the pack as Dev Meena takes the last one at 5.50. Doesn't really matter. But what a performance from these two in the pole vault. Dev Meena both will hold the national record jointly. Back again here, 531 in the lead.
Rahul Baloda of Rajasthan.
Rahul Baloda, the experience that he has got. 1500 meters. We've had some of the Africans going back to 1980 when the 800 and the 1500 meters was the monopoly of 3 Englishmen. One of them is now the president of World Athletics, Sebastian Coe, Steve Cram and Steve Ovett.
Shelov is in the lead, representing Delhi.
Well, the lead changing now with time ticking away into the last lap very soon out here, which will be the 400 meters. The bell is still not gone as they come onto the bend, onto the home straight. And in a few seconds, the bell will go for the final 400 meters. Retaining 1 and 2 over the last 300 odd meters. There goes the bell. There goes the clang in the last 400 meters. At the far side, the first 100 meters of the remaining 400, 300 to go. The lead now changing once again.
And it is Rahul Baloda of Rajasthan, 531.
He is very strong. Rajasthan has produced some wonderful 1500 runners. Remember, Sriram Singh from the Rajputana Rifles. He goes now blazing away like a meteor. Look at him now sprinting as if he was doing the final 100 meters, which he is doing. Someone who looks quite capable of doing the shorter events as well. He's got loads of energy. He's got loads of energy to stand him in good stead. He takes it away. Baloda of Rajasthan takes number 1 here in the 1500 meters.
Men's 1500 meters run results.